Hey, this is Jamin Jamie from Jamin Leather. I want to talk to you about Jamin Leather as a brand. Jamin Leather has been designing, manufacturing, and selling leather goods since 1979. We have selections that no one else has. We come up with styles that everybody else copies. We appreciate you coming to Jamin Leather and shopping with us. We want to see a label. This is the label that you should be looking for in the products that you buy. Jamin Leather is one of the best brands out there. You want to check out the variety and the quality for the price. You'll definitely get what you're paying for with Jamin Leather. Jamin Leather has been selling basics, a lot of basics, some similar motorcycle styles, as you can see over here, even some fancy ones that are more of a steampunk style. We've got basic motorcycle jackets for ladies with fringe, with bling on it. We even have some different bling jackets. Here's one sample of many styles that we have with bling in it. We also have matching chaps for those, and we also have a variety of vests that would also match with the same or similar. We'd love to get you into a set. We have white leather jackets right here, as well as matching leather vests that go along with that, along with matching chaps and whatever just fell on the floor, which is a white pair of leather pants. Here we are, right here. See? Leather pants. But I'm just going to throw it over here so you can talk about this. We have a whole variety of stuff, not to mention other colors, including pink and also brown. Brown, my girlfriend here is wearing a nice little brown set, brand new style for 2020, and it has a matching pair of chaps. This has been very popular for us. Brand new, just came out. So why don't you take advantage of checking out some of the styles. And if you're not a biker, no big deal. We have fashion jackets like your classic A2 bomber style and vintage look. We also have other styles, whether it be double collar here, men's. This is all lambskin. These styles are all available. And if you want something really unique, here's some nice chain jacket right here. We designed this quite a few years ago. Another item that we designed several years ago that has been very popular for us. We have this sleeveless trench coats, very long, that you can wear over the jacket of your choice. Your own little jackets of your own. So to make it look more interesting, I got our classic club style vests. We also have our classic vests and new retro vintage. We also have sleeveless motorcycle jacket styles as well. Variety of men's vests, not just classic western style, more classic western button up. We have tan colors too, and a little bit more western. We have classic scooter jacket that's available at Jamin Leather. This is one of our more popular ones, a vintage look. And leather shirts. Leather shirts have been real popular for Jamin Leather for a very long time. We have such a variety. We have at least 20 something styles of leather shirts. Just check out all the different types of leathers and colors that are available. You might want a leather shirt instead of a leather jacket to ride in, or even just to wear around town. It's a nice lightweight option. There's also classic chaps, basic pocket chaps, as well as classic chaps and a bunch of others with varieties, whether it be fringe or a stretch thigh or whatever else you need. We appreciate you shopping at Jamin Leather.
Take the beat to the street.